Manager and Bob the Campbell said he may be fired. I mean, if the newspaper guy doesn't say anything, maybe the toughness is there.
After that goal was scored at the drop of the puck, Shannon Toski took on Sandy McCarthy and probably wishes he didn't. He not only lost the fight, he lost his own services for a month because he's got a broken
penalty. Throwing lots of right hands. Dirk throwing most of the punches so far. Pops Buchberger's helmet off. He's got Buchberger in some trouble, pulling his sweater up, and now the officials move in.
He had him in big-time trouble. Initially, it was a pretty even fight. In fact, Buchberger, I think, landed a couple early. But Robert Dirk hung in there. That was a good toe-to-toe tussle. Buchberger and Dirk, two evenly matched big boys. Buchberger not too happy. One of his teammates trying to congratulate him. He says, "Let me out of here. You don't like to get thumped." Robert Dirk gets a split decision easily, maybe a unanimous decision. Well, we mentioned that the Canuck defense did not play.
And Ranford gets into an...
And they scored the only goal of the first bid. Oline decided to have a chat with Brent Severin, and it was a short chat, let me tell you. Second period, 2-0 with a beauty.